Yeah, beautiful, huh? You guys should probably make a chance to get over here, boys. No, I've been 17 years around here. I rarely make plan to come here, which is gorgeous, man. That's one thing we people don't make plan for, coming to the ocean if we stay here. It's sad but true, because we have jobs and we have to do it. It makes money, makes sense, boys, right? Yeah. Well, it's beautiful. Make a plan, go to the ocean, find peace, make peace. This is my place of peace, boys and girls. It's lekker by this here, boys.